told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want.
I feel like I'm in a cage. The walls, they keep closing in. I need a place where I can breathe. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me swim deep, find a better way. Something to light up a spark again. So lift me up to a higher state. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's time to say goodbye, leave it all in show, don't we? Need you to hold your breath, swim till you reach a deeper end. It's time to leave, it's time to break free from the shallows, shallows. Whatever means, it's time to break free from the shallows, shallows. It's time to leave, it's time to break free from the shallows, shallows. Whatever means, it's time to break free from the shallows. To see, let go of fear and just break free. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's time to say goodbye, leave it all in show, don't we? Need you to hold your breath, swim till you reach a deeper end. It's time to leave, it's time to break free from the shallows, shallows.
모르면 내가 뭐
Да, сейчас прямо. Хорошо.
Most prima mit szólok.
Put your body on top of mine and hold me like you'll never let me go. It feels like I've been giving you the best of me, and you just keep on letting me down. I can't taste it with your lips on mine that you don't love me like you did that night. I'm so nervous that you'll never feel the same, and you'll never find a place in my arms. Hey, show me love, 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 show me love. I'm not asking you for much, just give me something to feel. Show me love, show me love, show me love. Call me up if you feel a little lonely. I wanna spend some more time with you, 'cause I'm anxious to know what you feel for me now. Just give me something. I can't taste it with your lips on mine that you don't love me like you did that night. I'm so nervous that you'll never feel the same, and you'll never find a place in my arms. Hey, show me love, 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 show me love. I'm not asking you for much, just give me something to feel. Show me love, show me love, show me love. I can't taste it with your lips on mine that you don't love me like you did that night. I'm so nervous that you'll never feel the same, and you'll never find a place in my arms. Hey, show me love, show me love.
love, show me love, show me love, show me love, show me love. I'm not asking you for much, just give me something to feel. Show me love, show me love, show me love.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down, and you keep on thinking you could save yourself. But that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. Every time you feel the walls are closing in, and it seems like nothing makes it better, you should try to remember that's just how it is when it comes to love, comes to love. 'Cause you know sometimes it hurts, and you end up getting burned. But sometimes it can be beautiful. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. Even if you don't know when. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
Games and slot machines. Play cash games. Choose between blackjack, baccarat, Caribbean stamp poker, three-card poker, American roulette, and more. Join us now. You may be the next lucky winner. For your entertainment, enjoy our daily show program with a drink at Platinum Bar. It's not just a bar, it's a destination.